Commander Kelly and crew. About 500,000 people came out to see Redstone launch with Alan Shepard for the first time. 500,000 people came out to see that rocket launch. There are only about 5,000 people interested in NASA today and space exploration. Why? Millions of Americans used to celebrate rocket and shuttle launches. There are not even 1,000 submissions to speak with our astronauts. Do you think this lack of interest is in the public is due to them realizing they will never become astronauts? Is the end of spaceflight due to the fact of lack of funding, or is it the lack of interest on part of the American people caused by the fact they know they will never become astronauts? Why is NASA restricted to hiring only military individuals and persons with college degrees? Do you believe this is why people in the United States of America have lost interest in supporting any of the NASA space programs? Because they know they will never go to space.